Today, I'll walk you through how to view previous sprints on Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your past sprints so you can analyze completed work and improve your future projects. First, let's get started by opening your Jira dashboard. This is your central hub where all your projects and tasks are managed. If you're not sure where to find it, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just look for the main navigation menu. Next, open your project in Jira. This is where all your sprint data is stored. Click on the project you want to analyze. Remember, each project can have its own unique settings and configurations, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, let's click on the List option and then select Filter. This step is crucial as it allows you to narrow down the information you're looking for. Think of it like using a coffee filter to get just the right brew. Only the best data will come through. Once you're in the Filter section, switch the search mode to JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. This is a powerful tool that lets you create custom queries to find exactly what you need. If you've never used JQL before, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Now, paste the following query into the search bar. Project equals your underscore project underscore key and sprint in closed sprints. Make sure to replace your underscore project underscore key with the actual key of your project. This query will pull up all the completed work items from your past sprints. After entering the query, click on Search to see all work items completed across those past sprints. This will give you a comprehensive view of what was accomplished, allowing you to evaluate your team's performance and identify areas for improvement. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view previous sprints on Jira. This process not only helps you track your progress, but also aids in planning for future sprints. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.